What's up guys, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how I turned this simple walking video and turned it into a whole 3D space with some flying videos on it. I just call it that because I couldn't find a name for this effect yet, so I just came up with this name. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Robel and this is my channel where I talk about video editing, VFX, motion graphics and a lot of interesting stuff. So I'm not going to waste your time, let's just jump right into the tutorial and I'm going to show you how to do this effect. And we're going to be covering 3D camera tracking, rotoscoping, and some track mats. And yeah, let's just get into it. Let's go. This is the footage that we are going to be working with. The first thing we're going to do is 3D track it. So go to your effect, search for 3D camera tracker and make sure you select detail analysis and just press analyze, and After Effects is going to give us this tracking points on our footage. After we get this tracking points, we can select some part of it on the ground and right click and create a solid and the camera. And we can adjust the solid layer depending on our preference, maybe on the ground and maybe somewhere on the side or even on the rooftop, and create many solid layers as much as you can depending on your footage. The next step is going to be just select your camera and all of the solid layers you created and pre-compose them and move all attributes into the new comp, and you can give it a name, something like camera and solid, and after you create that just press OK. And now in the new comp we're going to have all of the solid layers lining up. If you're enjoying this video, consider supporting me on Patreon. You'll get exclusive project files, bonus content, and help me keep creating more videos for you. The link is in the description. On this black background, to make the colors of the solid layers same, you can use fill and give it a color. And you can animate the solid layers by using the position and the scale, and animate them to scale from 0 to 100 and the position to whatever you like, and you can easily use the keyframes to make the animation more smoother. And to make the rotoscope, duplicate your video layer and rename it, let's say, to Roto. Then after that, use the Roto brush and then draw around your subject to make a good selection. Use Alt to remove the selection and just draw it to keep the selection. And if it's green, that means it's inside the selection, and if it's red, then that means you're removing part of the selection. And use Alt to toggle between them. And to select the hair, we might need to use a different kind of roto brush, like refine edge tool. So go back to your roto brush and then press Alt and click on the brush button. Then we can change it into this tool and then draw around the hair so that it selects the hair. The white means it's selected and the black means it's not. Then press freeze to start the rotoscoping process. And in order to make the solid layers have the background of our video, we need to make some changes. And the way we're going to do that is with using track mat. So go back to your layer and search for the track layer or the original video, and then toggle between to reveal the track mat, and then select the camera and the solid, the previous pre-comp we created, to use it as a track mat. Then our solid layer will be behind the video. And in order to make the background white, all we gotta do is create a new solid layer. So right click, go to new and solid layer and change the color to white and press OK. And then move the solid layer at the bottom of the track layer. Then voila, we're gonna have the white background and the solid layers carry some part of our background video. So this is how you can achieve this effect, this walking video inside the 3D space with just some simple steps. If you like this video and you got some value out of it, make sure to like and subscribe. This means the world to me, and I'll see you guys with another video with another tips. Till then, love you guys. Bye.